Hi guys, Simon from SA Tuning. It's been a little while since I've come to you, at least a week. Most of you maybe have seen on our Facebook page that we've been having our brand new four-wheel drive dyno being installed. So I thought I'd show you. It's done, it's installed, it's ready to use. We're going to be using it in probably about 20 minutes, half an hour, with the first car that's going to go roll on it. But I thought I'd show you. And there she is. Wow. So this is a fully linked four-wheel drive system. Okay, so in here, in this part here is where all the link system is. We've got clutches and all sorts of bearings and all sorts of stuff. So basically now, there is not a single vehicle that's a production vehicle that we cannot dyno, we cannot tune, and we cannot run. So it's a big old girl, but thought I'd take you round. So we're still in our cell, we're still fully soundproofed, we're still all that. But yeah, so this is our brand new dyno. And we're so excited, we're so happy. And so now, if you have a four-wheel drive car, you can come to us and we can tune it, we can get it on the dyno, we can give you your power graphs. Even if you have two-wheel, front wheel, rear wheel, any wheel you like, we can dyno your car now. It's here, it's brand new, it's installed, and it's ready to go. So yeah, we're really, really excited. I can't wait. And I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys come down and get your cars tuned with us on our brand new dyno. All right. We'll check out soon. Cheers, mate. Bye-bye.